Hey everyone, Blockchain Brand here. In today's video, we are going to talk about a new social app called Friend.tech. Friend.tech is a decentralized social media platform that allows users to tokenize their social network. In essence, people can sell shares of themselves, and these share owners can privately chat with the person they own shares in. The values of the shares fluctuates based on supply and demand. So how does it work? First, users need to create a profile and connect it to their Twitter account. Once they have created a profile, they can start selling shares of themselves. The price of each share is determined by supply and demand. When a user buys a share of another user, they are essentially betting on the user's future success. If the user becomes more popular, the value of the shares will go up. And if the user's popularity declines, the value of the shares will go down. Owners of shares can privately chat with the person they own shares in. This is a unique feature that allows users to connect with their fans and supporters in a more personal way. Friend.tech is a new and experimental project, but it has potential to revolutionize social media. Here are some of the pros and cons. First up, pros. It could make social media more decentralized and give users more control over their data. It could help reward creators for their work and make it easier for them to connect with their fans. And finally, it could be a new way to invest in social media influencers. The cons are, the value of the shares could be volatile and unpredictable. And secondly, the app is still in its early stages and there is no guarantee that it will be successful. Finally, there are concerns about the privacy of user data. So in conclusion, is Friend.tech the future of social media? It's too early to say for sure, but it's definitely an interesting project to catch or to watch. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out their website. And if you're interested in learning more about blockchain technology, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.